we are looking at how to pronounce this word from Welsh, meaning Wales itself. So it is Welsh for the country name of Wales. We're going to be looking at how to say more names from Welsh as well in different languages, so stay tuned. But let's get into how to pronounce it. In Welsh, it's said as Cymru, Cymru. In English, you have the phonetic spelling right here. I know it's not obvious from just the spelling, right? Cymru, Cymru, Cymru. No, Cymru in English. It's usually said, pronounced as Cymru, Cymru. It's easy. Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Stay tuned. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. It helps a lot. Thanks for that. Thanks for watching.